Hey guys, Aaron here. Today I'm going to show you the procedure for putting the parking brake system into maintenance mode. This is a 2015 F-150, however it will work from any 2015 through current, which is 18 F-150 with the electronic parking brake system. Some Ford Edges and Escapes have this too. This procedure will work for them, but if you want to go ahead and replace your brakes, you're going to have to do this procedure to compress the piston back into the caliper. If you don't, you won't be able to compress it and you could damage the caliper. So first thing you're want to do, turn your ignition on. After that, locate your parking brake switch and push it down. Doing that will activate the parking brake system. And after that, while you're holding it, you're going to want to head and push your gas pedal all the way down. While doing that, turn your ignition off and turn it back on while holding both the parking brake switch and the gas pedal switch. Go ahead, release, and in about 5 to 10 seconds, a message should be displayed showing that the parking brake system is now in service mode. And there's what you'll see. Once you see this come up, you're free to work on your truck without the parking brakes applying. But once you're done with working on your brake systems or doing every repair that you need to do, you're gonna have to put the system back into operation mode and out of maintenance mode. To do that, it's the same procedure, but all you do instead of pushing down is you push up. It's actually this switch. You push up, it'll start blinking, push your gas pedal down, and turn off your ignition switch. While holding everything down, turn it back on, and your system will now be active. And that's pretty much the procedure to do that. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video has helped you out. If it has, please like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. And I guess I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.